Hello, guys. Today we'll be conducting an analysis of Tata Motors, the well known consumer durable motor vehicle company. Our focus will be on long term assessment. So, taking a glance at the long term perspective, we can observe that currently it's an oversold condition. If you see 2020, the price was around 60, and the current price is around 600 something, which is 10 time, which was in 2020. And also, if you see here, RSI, it's somewhere around 70, right? Um, so indicating basically an oversold state, right? And also, additionally, if I say it's hovering around its all-time high, and which is 669 was the peak, and now its a price is 667, which is about near to, we can say, all-time high, right? So there appears to be a resistance level from. So if you see here, long term, and let me make a this case. So if you see here, right? So did you see that? It's a reverse head and shoulder pattern. See here. So which is if it is you know straight, then it's basically bearish. Otherwise, it's a reverse, so it is bullish, right? And if you see here, this is a neckline, and it's going up. So it breaks up, break this neckline, and it's going up. So this is a monthly. So what can we expect in the monthly time frame? So based on the head and shoulder technical analysis, I would say like whatever we have here. So I take a scale here. So if you see the percentage is around, and if we go up from here, let me create it again once again. This one scale from here to here, right? So that's a neckline. So that's a positive. Something around 539%, 468. So we need to calculate the same. If I copy, give me a second. Here, right? So around 500, right? So let me create it again. The same thing here. Uh, Somewhere around, I would say, 1000 rupees. So the long term, I would say, um, based on this analysis, we can speculate that Tata Motors price may reach around rupees 1000, which is about two times. This makes, I would say, enticing prospect for the long term investment. And for those who prefer a more cautious approach or want to engage basically in the short term trading, I would say, if we go back, then you might actually can wait over here until this drops to 510, this level, and then it will go much higher. Um, and short term, I would say, if we chose on the daily chart, as you can see here, let me reset this one. On a daily chart, there is a flag formation. If you see there, so indicating a potential, as you guys know, it indicates what? Potential breakout, right? So if you see here, it broke the uh, flag flag formation. So it's worth noting that there is a resistance around six this level 633, right? And it broke, right? And so I'm expecting at this point of time, because in the daily time frame as well, the RS is above 70s. I'm expecting this will pull back to this trend line, which is around 660, 633 level. All right. And so for those who's interested in short-term trading, levels below 650, particularly around 633, could be suitable entry point. Establishing pivot points below 600. So here, if you see here, so that's another entry point for you guys. So here is a pivot, one, approximately second, and this one, two, three. So that's a pivot, right? So these would also be a wise move for a more comprehensive portfolio strategy if we want to go long term. But this point of time, it already broke this channel, this whole wedge formation. So I'm suspecting this one. Anybody like for the swing trade, long term traders, it's better to start adding your positions at these levels, somewhere around 633. Right. So to summarize, so this analysis suggests a positive outlook for Tata Motors in the long term. So my price target is around in the range of 900 to 1000 rupees. So this potential investment, I would say opportunity. This is an opportunity, I would say, guys, and suitable for both, as I said, right? So in conclusion, I would say while the short term prospect might seem bearish, as you can say, broker, it goes down the midterm, the long-term outlook appears promising. And I'm not making any definitive bullish or bearish claims, but offering a technical analysis of Tata Motors, highlighting basically advantageous entry points for investors, not a day trader, swing traders. It seemed to be a great opportunity for the investor in the months and the years ahead. So thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, and I appreciate your attention, guys. Goodbye. And yes, one thing more, I got to know like from my friends and all, from the people they personally told me like to conduct these YouTube videos in Hindi. Unfortunately, I'm not that expert in Hindi, so I hope I will try my best to have these videos in Hindi very soon. But yeah, so please like and subscribe and give me your opinions as well if I should actually post videos in Hindi. So thank you so much for now for today. So again, Tata Motors outlook long term looks very promising for you guys. That's my overall video. Thank you so much again. Good night. Take care. Bye bye.